Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a business page on Facebook. So simply open your Facebook apps. Now I'm provide a full guide, so follow my all process very carefully. Click on to menu option and then showing it to page option, just click on. Showing it to create option, okay, click on to get start. To select page name like okay, select page category like select science and tech, okay, and press on done and then click on to create, okay, select if you want to select any on, like I'm selecting this. To continue, click on next and you can easily invite your friend from here. Click on next, next, okay, look here, now successfully create Facebook business page. So that's it, that's how you can do it.